Hello, fellow Americans and the rest of the
Hello,
world.
fellow Americans. Splendid day today, huh? So, guys, today we're going to be diving into Calculus BC. We're going to be finding the derivative of x, okay? We're going to use differentiation. Okay, guys. So, first step.
We're taking the derivative with respect to x. So the derivative of
Yes,
x
good.
is 1. 1. Oh, that's a little too big. 1.
That's too big. Okay.
Okay. Now we got 1/3. So we're gonna split this up into 1/3 plus 4y cubed over 3. So the derivative of a constant is always 0. So we have 0. What are you doing? You're completely messing up my video.
I'm solving. You do your way, I'll do my way, alright?
Okay, so next step is we're going to do 4y3 over 3. So since this is a derivative, it becomes plus 12, 12y squared over 3. And let me just move this. Let me just like move all this here so we can get a better look at it. So 12y squared over 3, and then do not forget your dy dx, because since we're taking the derivative with respect to x, we got to put this dy over dx, because y is not a variable with x. It's a dy over dx. So now that we have this, we can simplify. We want to isolate for dy over dx, so we can divide by 12. We can divide 12y squared over 3, or we can just simplify this. Let's simplify this first. This is equal to 0 plus 4y squared dy over dx. And then we divide by 4y squared, so 1 over 4y squared is equal to dy over dx. And that is our final answer. And since this is implicit differentiation, we can leave it in terms of y. We don't need to leave it in terms of x, because yeah. So this should be your final answer. Now let's see what Mr. Elephant Man got. He did not do that good of a
The
job,
same thing.
but I don't like his
It's the same answer.
notation.
It's
I do
the
not like
same
his
answer.
notation,
It's the
guys,
same.
which is why you should guys hate on Mr. Elephant in the comments for being
It
stupid.
is not free.
Okay, now next problem. We're gonna do one more problem to show you guys even more. So I'm gonna write this problem, and Mr. Elephant Man is gonna solve it, because we have to test his math abilities to make sure he's even qualified to be here. Okay, Mr. Elephant Man, you're gonna solve this and teach our viewers how to do implicit differentiation. Okay, I mean, Mr. Elephant Man. Mr. Elephant Man. Mr. Elephant Man! Okay, wait, since he's not here, I'm going to do it for us. So this is 2x plus 2y dy over dx is equal to 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0. Then we can isolate for that dy over dx. So we subtract 2x on both sides, negative 2x, and then we divide by 2y on both sides. And we get net divide by 2y. You can simplify this to negative x over y, and that is your final answer. Mr. Elephant Man, you're gonna have to do one more because you're being a lazy bum. Mr. Elephant Man. Mr. Elephant Man. I said. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be carrying this video how I carry this channel. So we're gonna be doing one last problem before we end the video. We're gonna be doing the integral. I don't care at this point. We're doing integrals from 1 to 5 of cosine squared x dx. I mean with respect to x. So we cannot do the integral of cosine squared x. We're gonna have to rewrite this as. So we're gonna be using our trig identities. So we know that 2 cosine squared x minus 1 is equal to cosine 2x. And we have to solve for cosine squared x, which is equal to cosine 2x minus plus 1 over 2. So we can rewrite this integral as 5 to 1 of cosine 2x plus 1. And we can write this, we can move the 1/2 over here. And now we can solve this as any normal integral. So we get, sine, 1/2 sine 2x plus x. Make sure, don't forget your 1/2. And then we go from 5 to 1. So we have 1/2 sine 10 plus 5 minus sine 2, we don't know that yet, so 1/2 sine 2
Guys, I'm back.
plus 1. And your final answer would be 1/4 sine 10 plus 5 over 2 minus 1/4
I didn't get the
sine
I didn't get
2
the email.
minus 1/2.
Send it again.
And we can use a calculator to do that, but I don't have a calculator. I'm too lazy. So this will be your final answer. You can simplify by getting a calculator next to meeting. So guys, thank you for watching, and goodbye, guys.